Ready to take your Lunar Client experience from vanilla to vibrant? Let's dive into how to supercharge your gameplay by adding mods. First things first, make sure Lunar Client is fully closed. It's essential to shut it down completely before installing any mods. Next, locate your Lunar Client folder. This is usually found in your Minecraft directory on Windows. You can access it by typing %appdata% into the search bar and opening the Minecraft folder. Inside you will find the Lunar Client folder. Once you've found the Lunar Client folder, open it. Inside, you'll find a folder called mods. This is where all the magic happens. Now, find the mod jar files that you want to add to Lunar Client. Make sure they are compatible with the version of Minecraft Lunar Client is running. Simply drag and drop these jar files into the mods folder. Open Lunar Client and launch your preferred Minecraft profile. As the game loads, Lunar Client will automatically detect and load the mods you've added. Jump into a world, and bam, your mods should now be active, enhancing your gameplay with new features, performance boosts, or sweet cosmetic changes. That's all for today. Enjoy.